Good day everyone and welcome to Programming.net Technology Quarter 3, Week 2. And our topic for today is Perform Object-Oriented Programming. Okay, so let us now start with what I know activity. So gamit ang inyong mga answer sheet, you may answer this activity. So write the word true if the statement is correct and false if not. Then, sa atin namang what's in activity. Okay, so in our previous lesson, you have learned the concept of .NET Framework. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood ang ating week 1, the concept of .NET Framework, ilalagay ko na lang po ang link sa video description. In this activity, what word comes to your mind when you hear the word toolbox? So, any word na tingin nyo is related sa toolbox, ilalagay nyo po yan dito. So, kung gagamitin nyo ang inyong mga answer sheet, paki-drawing po itong ating word web. Okay? Then, next, sa ating what's new activity, using your previous knowledge about these words, construct your own definition of the following concept. Ayan, so meaning sarili nyo pong salita or in your own words. So please describe these words, diba? We have toolbox, message box, and window form. Next, on our what is it, or ito na po yung ating pinaka-lesson, Visual Basic Express 2013 is a version of VB or Visual Basic that was released in 2013. So, ito po yung gagamitin nating version ng ating VB.NET. But, if you have any preference or kung meron na kayong naka-install sa inyong mga computer, pwede rin po. So, as you can see, meron din po tayong 2017. So, ito po yung ating link para ma-download ang ating Visual Studio 2013 Express. So, it is necessary to download the Visual Studio for you to create and follow the activities for this module. So, let's say for example, you don't have your computer. Wala talaga tayong any other option. So, don't worry. Pwede nyo pa rin pong masundan ang ating lecture using our video. Don't worry, pwede nyo pa rin po pwede pa rin pong sundan ang ating lesson habang ikaw ay nanonood ng video na ito. At may apply nyo po ito once na magkaroon na tayo ng limited face-to-face. So, it is necessary to download the Visual Studio for you to create and follow the activities for this module. So, yung mga wala pa pong available na computer or device sa inyong mga bahay, don't worry, wala pong problema dyan. I know you can still follow and create our activities dahil meron din naman pong mga alternative na IDE sa online. So, create a new project in Visual Studio 2013. So, 3 templates, Visual Basic, Visual C#, and Visual C++ are part of the new project page. So, marami pong available na mga templates na pwede nating magamit dito sa ating Visual Studio. So, ayan, bubuksan ko po ang aking Visual Studio. Ang gamit ko ay Ultimate 2013. So, kung mapapansin nyo, may loading page pa rin siya. Again, depende po yan sa capability ng inyong mga device. Meron pong iba na ang dinadownload nila ay Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. So, wala naman pong problema. So, File, New, then Project. Okay, ayan. As you can see, kanina, based on our lesson, meron tayong Visual Basic, Visual C#, at Visual C++. Marami pa rin po tayong iba pang available na computer programming language gamit po ang ating Visual Studio. So, going back to our lesson. Ayan. So, ang sabi, create a file, new, then project. Okay, then ang pipiliin daw po natin ay Windows Form Application. So, balik po tayo dito sa ating Visual Studio. Diba? Punta tayo sa Visual Basic, then Windows Form Application. Then dito, meron pong nakalagay na name or kung ano yung file name ng inyong gagawing activity. So, for example, ang activity natin ay Activity 1. Sample lang po yan. Then, just click OK. Ayan. So, creating project Activity 1. At ito po ang makikita nyo sa inyong mga Visual Studio. So, again, going back po dito. Ayan, so as you can see, makikita nyo po ang parts ng ating IDE or yung mismong Visual Studio natin. We have the tools, the Windows Form, Solution Explorer, and our Properties window. So, saan po ba yan makikita dito? Ayan, dito daw po yung ating mga toolbox. Ito ang ating Windows Form. So, pwede po mapaliit or mapalaki. Depende kung ano yung gagawin nyo pong program. So, ito po ang ating Solution Explorer. At ito naman po ang properties ng ating mga toolbox. Properties ng ating mga objects. Next, going back po. So, to form window, ito po ang form window na tinatawag. Ayan po, sa atin, siya ay form 1. Sa form window, the Solution Explorer window and the Properties window are part of the VB 2013 IDE. So, it also consists of a toolbox. So, toolbox in Visual Basic.net, it consists of buttons, container, menu options, crystal reports, and more. Okay, so as you can see, dito po sa ating common controls sa ating toolbox, we have the pointers, button, checkbox, checklist box, combo box, and more. Diba? Saan po makikita yan? Dito po sa ating Microsoft Studio. Ayan, makikita nyo po yan dito sa ating left side. So, madami pong available toolbox in Visual Studio. Now, we are going to proceed on how to develop our first program. So, dito ang title ng program niya is My Activity. Pero tayo, pinangalanan natin siya as Activity 1. So, going back po dito. Ayan, so insert a button that can be found in your toolbox. So, dito po, balik po tayo sa ating Visual Studio. Ito po yung button. Para mailagay po siya, i-click nyo lang po yung button, i-hold, then i-drag po dito sa ating form. And meron na po kayong button 1. Then going back po dito, now, double-click the OK button to open the code window. So kung mapapansin nyo, pinalitan niya ng name yung button niya. From here, from button 1, papalitan po siya dito sa ating properties. So, punta po sa properties ni button. Ito po. Hanapin ang text na nakalagay button 1. Palitan po ng OK. At napalitan na po siya. Ang sabi po sa ating instruction, double-click daw po yung ating OK button. So, double-click. At napasok daw po tayo sa tinatawag na code window. You can now enter the code between private sub and end sub. So, the first code is message box. Ayan, message box po yung unang code na pag-aaralan natin ngayon. Message box, this is a pop-up message that display in a form of box. So, to use this code, simply enclose the message into double quote and parentheses. Okay? So, see sample below. Ayan. So, kung mapansin nyo, yung sample code natin, nilagay niya doon, message box, then my first activity. So, copy-paste po natin ito. So, sa inyo po, itatype nyo po iyan, then paste ko po yan dito. After po nun, now, click the start button on the toolbar or press F5 to run the program. Ayan. So, dito po sa ating Visual Studio, meron po tayo ditong start or yung play button ang tinatawag. Or pwede rin namang F5 sa ating mga keyboard. Okay, so kung i-play po natin or i-start natin, ito po yung kakalabasan niya. Then, i-click ko po yung OK. And as you can see, lumabas po siya, my first activity. So, okay po natin. Then, stop po natin ang ating code. Going back to our lesson. The message box function is a built-in feature in Visual Basic 2013 and show the text contained inside the bracket. So we will learn more in VB 2013 programming techniques in our upcoming lesson. So ayan po ang ating lesson for today. Now let's move on to our activity. So here is the independent activity number 1 based on your readings, or in our lecture for today, how will you create a new project using Visual Basic 2013. Ayan. So kung nakalimutan nyo, pwede nyo lang pong i-replay ang ating video for today. So again, the question is, what is the function of message box? Okay, then next, in our independent assessment number 1, in your computer or laptop, create a new .NET project using window form application of Microsoft Visual Studio 2013 or higher version. So, ayan, magkakreate daw kayo ng panibagong file or panibagong project. And this time, ang ilalagay nyo pong title naman niya is My Assessment. Okay, paano po gagawin yon? Try na natin ngayon. Okay, so yung form 1, kailangan daw maging My Assessment. Ganito lang po. My Assessment. And meron na po siya. Okay, ayun na po. Then, ito na siya. Okay, so in our independent activity number 2, identify at least 5 tools that can be found in Microsoft Visual Studio. Okay, so lagay po tayo ng 5 dito na sample tools and what are their purpose or description. Next, in our independent assessment number 2, create a new project using window form application, and this time, ang ilalagay daw po ay 5 tools that can be found in our VS Toolbox. Ayan o. So, maglalagay lang tayo ng 5. So, let's say, ayan, may isa na tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then that's it. Meron na po tayong 5 object. Then, for our independent activity number 3, enumerate 3 words related to message box. Write your answer in your activity notebook. Ayan. Ano ba yung mga 3 words that is related to message box? For independent assessment number 3, so create a new .NET project again. This time, gagawa naman po kayo ng message box. Ayan, di ba kanina po nakapag-create na tayo ng message box. Ang nakalagay ay ang ating My Activity. This time, ang ilalagay nyo po ay ang inyong complete name. Ayan, so paano yon? Di ba yung ating OK button, meron na siyang nakalagay na message box. Palitan lang natin. Lagay natin yung ating pangalan or yung ating complete name. Then, just click Start. Okay, then that's it. That is our activity. Stop po natin yan. Then, to answer what I have learned, let us summarize our lesson by answering the following question. How to create a new .NET project. I know, alam nyo na po kung paano to. How to rename the file of your .NET project and how to edit the text value of the window form. And also, you have a what I can do activity. Ayan. So, kung kanina, ang nilagay nyo ay ang inyong complete name, this time, ilalagay nyo, I am a programmer. Okay, so for our assessment, so you need to answer po this 15-item question. And also, for our additional activity, you need to identify the parts of the Microsoft Visual Studio interface. And that would be all for our lesson for today. Thank you!